Dear students, today's topic is digital marketing, and second part of this is mobile marketing. So first we cover digital marketing. So in today's online world, digital marketing is very essential. No matter your industry or company size, it is one of the best ways to grow your business, to build your company and revenue. You need the best digital marketing strategies on your site. So when we're talking about a digital marketing, so digital marketing is the marketing of products or services using digital technologies, mainly the internet, but also it includes mobile phone, display advertising, and any other kind of digital medium. So simply to understand, digital marketing is then marketing of product or services using digital medium. No matter your industry or company size, whether it is small company or whether it is a giant company, no matter it is. The thing is, in today's, due to the rapid development and the changes in the modes, changes in the mediums, and changes in the buying behavior of the customer, digital marketing play a very crucial role for a marketer. So when we are talking about a digital marketing, so digital marketing refers to any type of marketing activity that applies any form of digital technology. It includes conducting market research, means there are different digital marketing activities like conducting market research using digital marketing tools such as Google Keywords Planner, analyzing marketing performance using digital analytics software such as Adobe Analytics, launching digital display ads using digital advertising platforms, Google marketing platform. So compared to traditional advertising methods such as print, billboards and TV, digital marketing is primarily a data driven. So when we are talking about a digital marketing, so digital marketing is promoting or creating brand awareness using internet with the different kind or different modes or mediums like search engine, website, social media, mobile apps, email, inbound. So there are different types of mediums available. So when we are talking about the digital channels, what are the different channels? So in digital marketing, a digital channel is a way goods and services get to the consumer electronically. It means in a digital marketing, a digital channels. Now what are the digital channels? I explain to you. Different digital channels are like organic search, means simple Google, organic search, there is no paid form. So another is paid search, digital advertising channel like digital display ads, email, social media channels. So it is a common misconception that digital marketing is a single channel. It is not uncommon to hear entry level marketers defining digital marketing as a social media marketing, search marketing, digital advertising, and so on and so forth. More often than not, digital marketing campaigns apply multiple channel strategies, multi-channel, such as combination of search engine marketing, content marketing, display advertising, and email marketing. So digital marketing is a good way to contact and communicate directly to your customer. So when we are talking about a digital marketing, so digital marketing have a certain things comparing to the traditional marketing is different. Now, when we're talking about this difference between a traditional difference between a traditional versus digital. So what are the factors of which differentiate these two? First is reach. Now see the reach. When we're talking about the traditional marketing, the reach is very limited to a particular area. But with the advent of the digital marketing, now it is globalized. Nowhere where you are, in which country, in which state, or in which city. Then comes targeting. In traditional, not specific, it is generalized. But in digital marketing, you directly target to the customer. Means it is very specific in their terms of properties. It is very specific. Compared to the price, in traditional marketing, it is very expensive. It doesn't mean that digital marketing is not expensive, but when comparing to the traditional marketing, it is less expensive. Then ROI, return on investment. It is not guaranteed, but in digital marketing, with the advent of different analytical tools, you can measure your performance. You can measure your performance. So when we're talking about a digital marketing, so digital marketing disciplines, and there are certain subsets. So do not confuse disciplines with channels. A digital channel is a digital medium organization used to communicate or deliver message to consumer. Now there is a question in your mind, what is the difference between a digital marketing discipline and digital marketing channel? I again repeat, a digital channel is a digital medium organization used to communicate or deliver messages to consumer, while a digital marketing discipline is a branch of knowledge or a field of study within digital marketing. For example, search engine optimization and search engine marketing are separate disciplines. Search engine optimization, that is SEO, and search engine marketing, SEM, are separate disciplines, but they both target the same digital channel, means the search engine result page. So when we are talking about a digital marketing, so you have to understand what are the different digital channels. So in digital marketing, there are number of different digital channels like organic search, paid search, digital advertising, email, affiliates, online public relation, etc. And when we compare to the digital marketing discipline, so what is the difference? So a simple difference, a digital channel is a digital medium organizations used to communicate or deliver messages to consumer, while digital marketing discipline is a branch of knowledge or a field of study within digital marketing. So what are the different digital marketing disciplines and subset includes? So digital marketing discipline and subset includes content marketing, search engine optimization, popularly known as SEO, social media marketing, SEM, marketing automation, email marketing, digital advertising, digital marketing analytics, mobile marketing, conversion rate optimization, affiliate marketing. So for better understanding, you can also visit the topic PPC, pay per click, in my channel, and different analytics are there, so you can go through that. So what is a digital marketing strategy? So a digital marketing strategy is different from a digital marketing campaign. When talking about digital marketing strategy, we are referring to a master plan first, or a blueprint to achieve long term or macro goal. But when we are talking about a campaign, on the other hand, are the very specific tactics used to achieve more micro, short term goals within the digital marketing strategy. I again repeat this term. What is digital marketing strategy? A digital marketing strategy is different from digital marketing campaign. So you have to separate digital marketing strategy and digital marketing campaign. When talking about a digital marketing strategy, we are referring to a master plan or a blueprint to achieve long term or macro goal. Campaigns, on the other hand, are the specific tactics used to achieve more micro, short term goals within the digital marketing strategy. Digital marketing strategy involves defining customer profile. What is the customer profile? What are the marketing objective? So the digital marketing strategies involves or includes defining customer profile, defining marketing objectives, alignment of customer and marketing goals, identifying target markets, performing competitive analysis. Nowadays there is an intense competition, so performing competitive analysis, identifying target markets, managing and allocating resources appropriately to achieve your objectives, reviewing and optimizing campaign performance. So when we talking about a digital marketing strategy and digital marketing campaign, so digital marketing strategy includes setting marketing objectives based on the analysis of market information and target audience, selecting digital marketing channels and platforms, means determining channel specific delivery tactics and defining macro marketing. On the other hand, you can say a digital marketing campaign centers around creating brand awareness. I am talking about digital marketing campaign. So digital marketing campaign centers around creating brand awareness, means micro objective. But when we are talking about digital marketing, it is a macro. So digital marketing campaign centers around creating brand awareness, micro objective, by launching a viral marketing campaign. The term viral marketing campaign or tactics on a specific social media channel, for example Facebook. So short term micro are used to keep track of the progress and success of the digital marketing campaign. So before developing any digital marketing campaign, you should first have a strategy. So when we are talking about a digital marketing strategy, so different marketing digital channels impact the business. So you have to aware about the digital channels, methods, modes, and so on and so forth. The reason being, you have to understand whether it solve your purpose as a medium or not. So when we are talking about our digital marketing, so digital marketing is a plan of action for achieving your digital marketing goals. That is what digital marketing strategy is. A digital marketing strategy is a plan of action for achieving your digital marketing goal. Your strategy explains how will you accomplish your goal. Now totally depend upon your strategy. How will accomplish your goal, such as improving your conversion rate by 2% to 5% or increasing your lead generation rate by 10% or 20%. The question is in your mind, why we have a digital marketing strategy? So establishing a digital marketing strategy is critical. The reason is, without internet marketing strategy, your business does not have a map for achieving its goal, because nowadays market is not restricted within a certain boundaries. It is beyond the boundaries. So you know what you want to accomplish, but you do not know how. So that is the purpose of digital marketing strategy. So how to create a digital marketing strategy? First thing is define your brand. Outline or use brand guidelines to define your brand. Think about your USP, brand voice and value proposition. Build your buyer personas, customer buyers. Determine who your business wants to reach with customer buyers. Think about users demographic as well as motivation. Create your SMART goal. Now what SMART goal here is? Use a specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and timely goal, that is known as SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and timely goals. So think about your organization short and long term goals for growth. Choose your digital marketing strategy means pick the best strategy for your business. Set your digital marketing budget. Research digital marketing pricing to build a realistic budget for your business. What is your annual budget? So how would you contribute for a digital marketing platform? So these are the different things. So when we're talking about our digital marketing strategies, so there are different modes, different things are available like email, social media, PPC, that is pay per click, search optimization, search engine optimization, video marketing, content marketing. So this list is very long. Now in short, what these mean: search engine optimization is one of the most effective digital marketing initiatives today. SEO, simple, is the process of improving your website. Search engine optimization is the process of improving your website so that it ranks highly in research, search engine results for keywords and phrases related to your business. The more keyword you rank for and the higher your rank, the more people will see and become familiar with your website and business. So in simple term, search engine optimization is the process of improving your website so that it ranks better as compared to your competitor. What is the goal of SEO? SEO aims to direct more traffic to your website from members of your target audience. So it builds more traffic to your website. Now why you use SEO as a digital marketing strategy? So there are certain research we've seen that there are less than 10% of searches advance to the second page of search result. More than 30% of the searchers click on the first result. So when it comes to the digital marketing strategy, look at SEO as a requirement. It intercepts every member of your target audience, no matter where they are in your buying process. This is the reason that almost every user begin their search for a new product or requirements of search engine. Another example of this SEO, 80% of the consumer do their product research online. After searching for something, more than half of users discover a new company or product. With SEO as one of your online marketing strategy, that could be your business. Then PPC, pay per click. PPC is a paid form of advertising that relies on an auction based system. With PPC you bid on keyword that you want your ads to show up for. Your ad triggers when a user search includes your keyword. These ads then appear at the top of search results above organic listing. If a user decides to click on your advertisement, you then pay for that click. For example, if you sell winter boots for children, you could bid to advertise in the search result when user searches children's winter boots. This keyword is more transactional which is what you want for PPC campaign. It's a paid advertising, so you want a fast ROI. So PPC can include advertising on search engine as well as social media and other platforms. The goal of PPC is to reach searches with transactional queries, meaning they are ready to buy your products or services. When they click on your ad, they will arrive at your landing page and see call to action, which is called CTA, to convert whether by purchasing a product, signing up for email newsletter or another action. Content marketing. In content marketing, your business focuses on reaching, engaging and connecting with consumers via content. This content, which can include videos, blog posts, infographics and more, provides value to users. For example, if you run a business that sells ski and snowboard supply, you could write an article about what a beginner needs for the first outing. You could also write articles on how to take care of a snowboard and what accessory can help improve ski performance. Email marketing focuses on retaining existing customers as well as gaining new ones. It is an excellent technique for building brand awareness, keeping your company top of mind and encourage repeat purchases So when we're talking about email marketing, a core part of email marketing is developing and refining your campaign as well as growing your audience. Social media marketing focuses on building brand awareness and increasing conversions. A social media marketing campaign can feature one or several social media platforms depending on your target audience and their platform preferences. Now remember, when we're talking about a social media marketing, it is very important to know that depending on your target audience and their platform preferences. So it totally depends on your target audience and their platform preferences. Each and every time you cannot use Insta. Sometimes you have to use Facebook, and in some cases you have to use Twitter. So you have to see that your target audience and their platform preferences. Voice search optimization. With voice search optimization, your company optimizes existing and new website content for voice search. The intention is to earn your website the featured, snipped or position 0 spot in Google search result. Video marketing. Your company increases its reach, grows its revenue and expands its operation. Like content marketing as well as email marketing, your business focus on creating informational and valuable videos for its target audience. Again the question is raised, informational and valuable for target audience. So there are different types of videos marketing include, like instructional. Your video should be instructional, your video should be announcement of behind the scene event and more. So you have to see which type of users you have. So when we're talking about digital marketing, so there are number of benefits of digital marketing strategies, like increasing website traffic, driving storefront traffic. It means if your business operate a physical storefront, one of your main goal is likely to bring customer into your location. Online marketing strategy like local SEO can help you to achieve this goal and attract more footfalls or more foot traffic. Even some strategy not featured. It means even that some people not reach to your store. Boosting brand awareness. When you use digital marketing, you get your brand in front of more potential customer, whether through search result, email inboxes, social media platform, or another outlet. Raising revenue and conversion. The biggest and most important objective of any marketing strategy is to increase revenue by improving your target audience, traffic to your website and store, as well as partnering with the leading digital marketing agency. You can increase your company's sales. So this is what digital marketing is, and traditional versus digital, these are the difference. Then comes the mobile marketing. Now when we're talking about a mobile marketing, now what do you mean by mobile marketing? So mobile marketing is an important tool for marketing your product and services nowadays. Today's almost everyone is having a mobile handset or smartphone. I am talking about most. It becomes logical for the digital marketers to have a strategy which relate to mobile. There are many types of mobile marketing, and we would discuss what are the different types of mobile marketing are. But first, let us understand what is mobile marketing and how does it works. First, mobile marketing refers to marketing with and on mobile devices. It includes marketing activity that involve mobile. So mobile marketing, or popularly or known as M marketing. So if the question comes what is M marketing, that is mobile marketing. To put in simple words, in the marketing of goods and services to mobile devices such as smartphone, tablets, and much more. It is an important type of digital marketing strategy. There are different types of mobile marketing strategies. Later on we discuss what are the different types, like SMS marketing, MMS marketing, push notification, app based, in games, location, mobile. So what are the different types of marketing, mobile marketing we could cover. But when we're talking about a mobile marketing, nowadays mobile marketing is one of the most necessary aspects of digital marketing. Now I will show you some data regarding numbers. Now I give you a combined data, so it is better to understand in that particular case. Now see, in India around more, this is a last year data, 465 million number of internet users, but it now more than 500 million users. Now mobile internet users, it's also raising day by day. A smartphone user, currently we have around 500 million smartphone users. So you have seen these numbers: feature phone users, smartphone user, number of banks accounts. Now the government policies, government's program, Digital India campaigns. So nowadays mobile marketing is one of the most necessary aspects of digital marketing. Multinational companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft extended their business to the mobile digital space by creating their application specifically for their line of business. Due to these changes, Amazon and number of other companies, Google's, have a growth in their sales, all because of mobile commerce. It only proves that mobile marketing and mobile commerce is an important tool for retailers. So mobile marketing is simple marketing with and on mobile devices. Mobile marketing is the same with the internet marketing, where marketers needs a user for them to advertise their products and provide their services. Mobile marketing has a depth research to fully understand the nature of the mobile users, design the strategy according to the mobile platforms used, and adapting to different techniques that mobile marketing offers. This is how the mobile marketing works and how this is the mobile marketing advent. How does mobile marketing work? So simple mobile marketing is ads that appear on your mobile phones, tablets, or mobile devices. Mobile marketing ad has a various format, style and customization. It depends on the number of websites, social media platforms and mobile apps that offer a unique and customizable mobile ad option. So there are different types of mobile marketing like SMS marketing. It is the strategy where marketers send short text messages to their potential customer. Bluetooth mobile marketing, mobile internet marketing, mobile games. It is one of the new features or the new things in the digital world. Mobile apps companies are also start to create different types of mobile games that mobile users can directly download on their phones. So the download mobile games have different marketing messages that will entice users to visit the company's website or the game developer. Barcodes or QR quick responses. So why is mobile marketing important? Because people always look at their mobile screen more than ever. Now compare in a day how much time you spend with your smartphone. According to the research, there are at least 80% of people always their phones with them. People use their phones almost whole day. Only at the time of sleeping they can ignore the mobile. So it is the reason why mobile marketing is important for companies, because people habits of looking at their phones every minutes. Now can not say every hour, every minutes. So it has become the main reason that marketer can reach their consumer 24/7 with the help of mobile marketing. Marketers are ready to interact with their customer anytime they want. But in traditional medium, this is not the case. So it does not matter if it's a service, product information, complaints or shopping, because mobile and the user's interaction is 24/7. The development of shopping worked across devices, because e-commerce is just a desktop activity or mobile, but now people are utilizing their mobile phone. It is not only about a desktop activity, that is the past. So when we're talking about a mobile marketing, so mobile marketing have a number of good features, because shoppers use their mobile even in physical stores. Marketers should not underestimate the power of mobile marketing in physical store. Some shoppers will do product research through their mobile phone. However, that still does not stop when shoppers enter a store. So they will still continue holding their smartphone to compare prices of various brands, products, features. So retailer need to utilize how they can incorporate in store experience and increase engagement while customer. Now these are the number of benefit as a marketer can see in the mobile marketing. Now when we're talking about a mobile marketing, marketers and brands always find ways to be closer to their prospect, but it is difficult to close down proximities, especially just behind a computer scene. But mobile devices are different, since mobile phones are gadgets that people carry all the time. Marketers engage in the different modes or different forms. So mobile marketing is a personalized way of marketing, because it gives marketers the chance to be closer to their consumer. A personalized form of mobile marketing can be a big help in converting viewers into paying consumer, because mobile opens virtual reality and other possibilities. The developing technology like virtual reality is now in mobile ads. Virtual reality ad makes a mobile ad effective and engaging. So these are the number of benefits when we're talking about mobile marketing. So what are the take away of mobile marketing? It is now clearly understand that mobile marketing holds an important role in business. It is also a marketing strategy that people can use in future tremendously or in better pace. Nowadays it is growing trend that marketers use success as early as now. It is important for marketers to try and see the benefits of mobile marketing offers to their business. With proper usage and utilization, mobile marketing can be the strategy that can increase profit and continues a company growth. Now you can see, from now, with the effect of COVID-19, the mobile marketing applications and the marketing perspective is now changed in the future. With the help of mobile marketing, with the increased number of smartphone users, maybe it can change the entire marketing structure. It may be, I'm not sure, but it may be the change the patterns of modes or working patterns of digital marketing as well as mobile marketing.